Hi, I'm Shweta from Xplorabox. Let's see what exciting activities we've lined up for your child in this month's box.
This month's theme is Jungle Explorer. There are 5 amazing activities in the box. Fun with animal finders, My 3D Forest, Buxy Bucks, Jungle Logic and Educational Activity Maths.
The first activity is Fun with Animal Finders. In this fun activity, your child will explore various habitats and find the hidden animals there using a magnifying glass. By doing this activity, they will learn about desert animals, water animals, tropical animals, etc. This activity will improve their fine motor skills, observation skills and academic skills. The second activity is My 3D Forest. In this amazing fun activity, your child will assemble and create a 3D forest full of various 3D animals which they can proudly show off in the house. This activity will improve their fine motor skills and creative skills. Third activity is Buxy Bucks. In this counting activity, your child will pick up and identify the correct bucks using various combinations given in the flashcards. This fun, replayable activity will improve your child's fine motor skills, numerical skills, analytical skills, and social developmental skills.
Fourth activity is Jungle Logic. In this super fun activity, your child will be solving an amazing wooden puzzle game with a twist. Here, they will be using basic addition and subtraction skills to solve the puzzle and create a beautiful jungle illustration. This activity will enhance their logical and problem-solving skills and academic skills. Fifth activity is Educational Activity Maths. These are write and wipe activity maths with 8 engaging activities that will keep your child engaged for a long time. This activity will improve their fine motor skills, cognitive skills and academic skills.
You will also receive 20 downloadable worksheets via mail every month. If you have not taken your Xplorabox subscription, then take it now and give your child a gift of fun and learning that will make them smarter and sharper.